Hello students, myself Harsangeet Kaur. I'll be teaching you biology. From today onwards, let us begin with Unit 3, Chapter 8, Cell, the Unit of Life. You must have done about cell in class 10th as well. You must have studied the general introduction. If we talk about right from the beginning, the basics, cell. What is cell? Cell is basically structural and functional unit of life. Why only structural and functional unit? Structural because our body is made up of small cells, just like house is made up of bricks. And functional means each and every function of the body is performed by this cell. So cell is the functional and the structural unit of the living organism of the body. Cell is basically made up of, it consists of a membrane bound material which is mass of protoplasm, that is known as protoplasm, or we can also call it as the protoplast. If we talk about cytology, cytology is basically the study of form and structure. It is a branch of biology in which you study the structure and form of cells. Structure and form of cells you study in cytology, right? So if we talk about cell biology, so cell biology is, they both are different. Cell biology is branch of biology that deals with the study of physiology, that deals with the structure, that deals with the biochemistry, physiology of the cells, right? So if we talk about on the basis of number, if we talk about the number of cells, so they are of two types, unicellular cells and we have multicellular cells. Unicellular means which are made up of single cell, one cell. The whole complete function of the body is performed by the single cell only. For example, it is an amoeba, right? They have a short lifespan. And in multicellular means the body is made up of many cells, like human beings are there, mammals are there, plants are there, animals are there. They all are multicellular. They have long lifespan. If any of the cell damages out, that doesn't mean the whole body is not going to work out. The whole body will be working, only that particular part will not be working. But in case of unicellular, like in amoeba, the reproduction, the digestion, the ingestion, everything is done with the help of that single celled organism only, and if the cell damages, the complete organism will die out. If we talk about levels of organization, if we talk about levels of organization, so in levels of organization we have, right from the beginning we start from, first of all, the body is made up of a cell, the smallest unit, similar type of cells which are performing similar type of functions, they all join together to form the tissues. The tissues which are performing, the group of cells which have a common origin and they have a common function, those cells which will be having the common function and the origin, they will be grouped as the tissues. Then we will be having the organs. The organ will be the structure that will be formed by two or more tissues, ठीक है, जो एक ही तरह के, which are specialized to perform a particular function. So that will be forming your organ, and then we will be having the organ system. Similar type of organs will join together to form the organ system. Organ system means similar type of organs like eyes, ears, nose, skin, they all will be making your sensory system. Then brains, then neurons,